Hello, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this bronzy, goldy, summer / autumn makeup look. I'm really enjoying the autumn colours already. I know it's still a little bit early, but I do love all the oranges and the golds, and with this having peach hair, I think it matches perfectly. Also exciting, this video is in collaboration with Spectrum, so we are giving you the chance to win this 8-piece Spectrum brush set. This is the Jet Set as well, and this is amazing. It comes in like a travel pack, so you can pop your brushes in the top, and then it's got like a section in the bottom where you can pop your makeup. So this is going to be amazing for traveling. It is a mixture of face and eye brushes, which is also amazing because it's going to be everything you need to take away with you. This giveaway is open worldwide. If you stick around till the end of the video, I will have all the details there for you. So yeah, if you would like to see this makeup tutorial, then just keep watching. This is my final look. I hope you like it. For the giveaway details, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Spectrum's channel, and follow me on Instagram. I will link all the details down below in case you want to check that out and you want to enter. And I will also have a full write-up of the giveaway details down there. Giveaway will also be open for a week, so it will finish exactly a week today, which is Sunday the 23rd of August. Also, the giveaway is open worldwide. So good luck to everyone that enters. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you would like to see more videos from me, thanks for watching.